Y'all know the deal. Make sure to smash that like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. I know we can do it, so smash that like button. Also subscribe if you are new and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that's also the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you are new, and share this video with your friends, and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And also comment down drawing number for you to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Spider-Man from No Way Home. Hopefully you all enjoyed. This time around I ended up switching it up. This is not anime related, this is not anime drawing, this is Marvel drawings and superhero drawings. And if you want to see more of this type of content, make sure to smash that like button to let me know. Before I started the coloring process, I was nervous on what colors to use, because I'm not used to drawing these type of characters. So it's really nice to challenge myself and get out of my comfort zone to do something so fresh to me. But overall, I had a lot of fun with it. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description. If you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some characters. If you are a Marvel fan and really like anime, check it out. It's going to be in the description. I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn before that you may really like. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.